Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new sort of video that I'm hopefully gonna stick with on my channel, and that is our $2 Tuesday release. So if you guys didn't know, we do $2 Tuesday in our shop. I haven't done one in a little while just because I've been things have been crazy, but I'm back to doing them and I wanted to share with you guys the few new things that I will have in my shop. And when this video goes up, they will be set at $2. You don't need a discount code or anything like that, and you also can't use a discount code on them because they're already discounted. So let's just take a look at what you can get for $2. All right, so the first thing are these multicolored teardrop stickers, and give you guys a little better look. I don't know that it's coming off like true to color on camera, but they're a multicolor and like you can have a teardrop for basically any spread. Next up, we have our multicolored flags. They're just so cute and I just think they look different than like just your normal flags, so I really like that. Then we have our payday flags. So these are basically just what they sound like, payday flags. So if you wanted to mark payday, we do have payday scripts and payday stickers in the shop already, but I really like just this basic flag. It's just super functional. Then we have our Bildo flags, again kind of the same idea as the payday, but just Bildo, so you can mark when a bill is due. And then last but not least, we have these multicolored labels. So these are just great, and you can actually pair them, so you could like put the little bill due over here and then write in what your bill was that was due. So super functional. I was going to release these check boxes. They're just these little stickers like that, but for some reason I can't get my machine to cut them correctly, so I'm not really sure what the issue is, but as soon as I can get my machine to cut them correctly, I will release them as well. So they won't be with this week's $2 Tuesday, but they'll probably be with like next week or hopefully sometime soon. Alright guys, so this is this week's $2 Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see all of our $2 Tuesday deals, like have a video on them. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so all of these are going to be $2 and they will be $2 until the following Tuesday. I like to keep them up for a week just because I feel like people miss notifications and stuff like that, and I've had people reach out like on a Friday and be like, oh man, I'm so sad I missed this. And so I have just decided to do my $2 Tuesdays like for the whole week. But once these go back up to full price, they will no longer be $2, obviously. I will keep them in the shop, so these will just be like our smaller sheets of stickers, and I'll keep them in the shop, but they will no longer be $2. So definitely pick them up if you are interested in any of them this week, so that way you get the discount. And like I said, you don't need a special code or anything, and this is on both Etsy and Shopify, so definitely check that out. No coupon codes for these, but like I said, they're already super discounted. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.